Okay, hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Atria Teresia Gultom. I am in the sixth semester majoring in tax accounting at the Wilmer Business Polytechnic in Indonesia. I will present what I think are the best ideas in the last 20 years and who are my favorite people. Okay, first, the best idea in the last 20 years. I think online shopping. Why? Online shopping is the process of purchasing goods or service over the internet, usually via a website or e-commerce application. With online shopping, buyers can choose product, make payment, and arrange delivery of goods without needing to visit a physical store in person. Why online shopping is the best idea in the last 20 years? Shopping online offers unmatched convenience with easy access 24/7 without having to leave the house. Plus, you can compare price quickly, find products that are hard to find local, and often get discounts that aren't available in brick and mortar store. Uh, is it some example of the business online shop trade in Indonesia that we can visit? Lazada, Blibli, Tokopedia, and Shopee. Okay, second topic, creative people I admire is Felix Irwan. Felix Irwan is a male singer who is active on social media including YouTube, TikTok, and other social media. On YouTube, he fills the beat with song covers which are very good to listen to when relaxing, if you want to sleep, and when working, it's a very suitable. Why? He is singer. He is singer who I think is very handsome. He is good at the playing the guitar, and when he sings, he sounds really melodious. His deep voice made it easy for me to memorize the songs he sang. Uh, these are some photos from Felix Irwan. He's a very good, very nice, very handsome, and very cutie, right? Okay, this is video of Felix Irwan covering the song Your Man by Josh Tanner. Stay tuned.
Baby, lock the doors and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand. I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt a feeling quite this strong. I can't believe how much it turned me on just to be your man. There's no hurry, don't you worry. We can take our time. Come a little closer, let's go over what I had in mind. Baby, lock the doors and turn the lights down low. Put some music on that's soft and slow.
Okay, is it my present? Thanks for watching. Thank you.